Take a ride in the 2021 Pilot. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.